back to my channel. My name is Everything Renee, and today we are talking about meditating. I am a meditation beginner, okay? So these are things that I'm learning in the process. If you have never seen me before, well, welcome. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button, sis. And let's get right into it. Hey y'all, so here I've been up for a good 30 minutes. I normally like to start my day very light, doing things that aren't so extraneous yet still productive. But here I'm folding clothes, which is something I don't have to do every day, but I just happen to have laundry left over from a couple of days before, and laundry is kind of therapeutic for me. I don't know if anybody else feels like that, but it just always has been. So I'm just spending my time doing that and getting some things done at the same time. So I feel good. So then after that, but really never in any particular order, I like to make sure I get some stretching in. Stretching can relieve any tension or pain from sleeping the night before. It increases blood flow, and most importantly, it prepares your body for the day ahead. And over the years, I have found that I move a lot less, and that's because I've created this tightness in my body. So I've learned that stretching has been very, very beneficial for someone like me that carries tension in their muscles and deals with a lot of spasticity, which is like a muscle spasm from time to time. So stretching has been really, really good for me. Yes. If you are interested in knowing how I incorporate meditation into my everyday, then definitely stay tuned and let's talk about it. Like, let's get to it. Let's get to it. The pros, the cons, the mother tea, the tea about it. Okay. Speaking of tea, hold on. I am a meditation beginner. I have tried over the years a bunch of different times, and I feel like my thoughts have just got the best of me, no lie. Because I'm a thinker naturally, so everything that I do, wherever I go, no matter where I'm at, I'm in my head, okay? And if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. In the act of meditation, you want to always make sure that your intentions are right for that moment. And a lot of times when I'm just walking around just thinking and doing this and being in this place and going there and just actively moving, my thoughts can go from good to bad to
fucking crazy, okay?
I'm still learning, and the purpose of this video is to share with you about 10 tips that will help for beginners. And like I said, I'm going through the process too. Hope that I can share more information and more visuals on my journey. Meditation is something that I've always tried to just get right, and now is the time to do so. There's so much shit going on in the world and don't nobody got time for it. My days feel so much lighter, so much greater when I start my day off with prayer and meditation, period. Even if morning meditation does not work for you, you can always meditate whenever you can, whenever you have that moment, that time where you can devote to you, yourself, and you only. You feel me? I still don't feel like expert enough to even give this information, but I feel like because I'm a beginner, anybody that's watching this may be a beginner as well. I feel like why we can't help each other, you know what I mean? So without further ado, I just want to get right on into it. And excuse my hair, I'm between styles. I don't know what the fuck going on. Y'all feel like I'm about to lock my hair up, but we're not gonna talk about it. Oh my god, we're not gonna talk about it. First meditation tip that I think is very, very valuable is don't put so much pressure on yourself when you're first starting out. Just set in your mind that, okay, today I'm gonna meditate. You don't have to put a time limit on it, because I feel like that applies pressure and commitment. You know, who wants to do that? Take it easy the first time around. Number 2, I would definitely recommend you do this in the morning, because it does start your day. It definitely will lead you in the right direction, especially if your intentions are good for the day, but it'll give you a point to start from. I don't know if this is a side note or a step. I don't even think I'm gonna number them, okay? I'm just gonna talk about it. I'm just gonna go. I'm not gonna apply extra pressure. Don't get caught up in what you think you're gonna start thinking about, you know what I mean? Like, don't stress about the fact that, oh, meditation should be done this way.
Oh, I should be wearing this. Oh, I should be sitting here. Oh, the window should be open. Oh, there shouldn't be, you know.
Definitely don't put so much pressure on yourself. Just go ahead and do it. Make sure it is a quiet, safe place, somewhere that you can reflect, you're comfortable, and just do it. Like, sis, just do it. Sit your ass down and just do it. Breathing definitely helps me a lot. At first that was something hard and I couldn't even breathe. Like, I low-key was holding my breath. It's very, very vital that you are breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Sometimes it's good to let out a little yell or a little a nice deep sigh. That'll let you know that you are breathing, because that sound has to come out, and so does your breath. When going into meditation, I recommend going into it with a feeling of love, appreciation, you know what I mean? Definitely good intentions, because that's going to set the tone of your experience. If you sitting there like, hold on y'all, let me meditate real quick, shit, like, you know what I mean? Like, distractions, don't worry about distractions. I feel like when you're alone, try to do it. Or if you're not alone, get somewhere by yourself, a quiet place where you feel calm and comfortable. You want to make sure that you are in a good mood. You are, maybe even if you're not in a good mood, you know, I would set the intentions of, after you get out of this meditation state, you will be in a good mode. You know what I mean? Like, focus on love, focus on peace, focus on everything good. Your mind may get a little off track, and that is absolutely okay. Just try your best to refocus, ground yourself, and get back to the thought, a good thought. But what helps for me when I get off track, I try to do the breathing exercises again, just to recenter me and bring me back. You know what I mean? Because like I said, I'm a thinker, and I will start thinking about the grocery list, everything that I have not done.
And then when I think about everything that I have not done, it makes me feel like I'm not productive, like I'm being lazy, all this kind of stuff.
But just remember, take it easy on yourself, sis. You're a beginner, and it's gonna be hard at first, but don't beat yourself up. Don't. Just try to breathe, and this too you will get through. Ooh. This too you will get through. I like that.
This too you will get through. Ooh, let me write it down.
Because I got me a paper with a bunch of junk on it.
This too you will get through.
Period. On my mama. Also, I would like to add, before we wrap it up, I would like to add, make sure you're drinking some water, okay? Definitely drink some water. I just want to thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Definitely like, share, and comment down below if you want to. Keep the negativity to yourself, you feel me? And live your life, baby. Like, we only get one. We only get one life. Live it.
And I'm telling myself that. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every last one of you guys, and happy meditating.